Dear students, I hope you understand all the problems which are explained in the previous lecture regarding exercise 3D up to second Roman. Now, so in this lecture, we will see the leftover problems. That means the Roman 3 problems. So there are 8 problems are there. So I will explain some 4 or 5 and so do the remaining problems accordingly. Let's see number 1 and Roman 3. That is show that determinant of a plus b plus 2c a b and c b plus c plus 2a b, and third row, that is c here a c plus a plus 2b. So this is equals to 2 times of a plus b plus c whole cube. So here we need to show the determinant of this is equals to 2 times of a plus b plus c whole cube. Now, so just observe the row elements and column elements of the given determinant. Means so is it easy to calculate or not? Or so what we have to apply, either row operation or column operations. So think on that column or row operations. See here you can observe the elements a, b and 2c is there, and so the corresponding columns of 2 and 3 here a and b are there. If we add all these things, now say this element that becomes, means the resultant element that becomes a plus b plus 2c plus a and plus b, means so this a plus b plus twice of a plus b plus c we may get. And so similarly you can observe the second element in the first column, so it is c plus b plus c plus 2a plus b, so it is also again 2 times of a plus b plus c. In the same way, so we will get the third element also 2 times of a plus b plus c only. So better apply the column operations. Here on applying the column 1 as column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. So what we are doing here, so just add the corresponding elements of 2 and 3 to column 1. Now so that so the left hand side of the given problem that becomes, now so this is a plus b plus 2c, means it is 2a plus 2b plus 2c, right? In the same way, c plus b plus c plus 2a plus b is again it is 2a plus 2b plus 2c only. And similarly the third element, that is also same 2a plus 2b plus 2c. And so no change in the second column and third column. So these two things are as it is. And so this is b c plus a plus 2b. Now so here you can observe, so the first column, that entire first column contains the same element 2a plus 2b plus 2c c. So here it is common, so that is 2 times of a plus b plus c is common from the first column of this determinant. Now say the remaining part is 1 1 1 only, and it is a b plus c plus 2a a, and third column is b c plus a plus 2b. Now so you can apply the definition of the determinant directly also, but see here so the column that contains 3 ones. Now so if we apply the row operation like r2 minus r1 and r3 minus r1, so we may make these two elements as 0, right? r2 minus r1, r3 minus r1. So then applying on applying the row operation like R2 minus R1 and one more operation for row 3, that is R3 minus R1. See here, this is 2 times of A plus B plus C times of, here no change in the first row is as it is. First write down the row 1 A B. Now there is a change in row 2 since we are applying row 2 elements minus row 1 elements, the corresponding row 2 and row 1 elements. So it is 1 minus 1, that is 0. Here B plus C plus 2A minus A means it is B plus C plus A, and so B minus B, that is 0. Next, so there is a change in row 3 also, means we are applying R3 minus R1. So that means 1 minus 1 0, A minus A 0. Next, C plus A plus 2B minus B means it is C plus A plus B. So from this, so we can evaluate the determinant of this matrix along first column easily, since the first column that contains 2 zeros. So along this column, so you can expand, since 1 into the cofactor of 1, so something will be exist, and 0 into cofactor of 0 is 0, and 0 into cofactor of 0 is also 0. So here I am expanding along the first column, that is 2 times of A plus B plus C. This is a common part. Now this times of, now so here the sign of the first element of 3 by 3 matrix is always a positive, and here the element is 1 into the minor of this element. By deleting this row and column, so we get the elements like B plus C plus A 0 0, C plus A plus B. Next, minus 0 into something, so it is 0, plus 0 into say something, that is 0. So this is a 2 times of A plus B plus C into the determinant of, so B plus C plus A means it is A plus B plus C 0 0, and it is A plus B plus C. Now so this is a 2 times of A plus B plus C into, now so here we can apply the 2 by 2 determinant. So it is AD minus BC more. So here this into this, that is A plus B plus C into again A plus B plus C, that is A plus B plus C whole square, minus 0 into 0 0. So finally this is 2 times of A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C whole square minus 0 means A plus B plus C whole square. So finally this is 2 into A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C whole square, that is A plus B plus C whole cube. Now so this is the right hand side of the given problem. Let's see second problem and Roman 3. Show that the determinant of ABC BCA CAB whole square is equals to 2BC minus A square C square B square C square 2AC minus B square A square B square A square and 2AB minus C square. So the determinant of this is again equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square. Now so here so the determinant is nothing but the number only, so this number square, so or so they are in the form of A equals to B equal to C form. So all these three are numbers only, right? So here you need to show this as A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square. So here so you may show like A is equals to B and B equals to C, then so finally we can write it as A equals to B equal to C, or you can show here A equals to B and A equal to C also, no problem. See, means what I'm saying is say for example x equals to y and so y equal to z is there. Then so therefore we can write this relation as x equal to y equal to z. In the similar manner, so you can show from by using this you can show this, and using this again you use this, so you have to show this resultant. That means here x equals to y and x equal to z, therefore x equals to y equal to z also. Okay, so by taking this determinant, so you need to show this part, and again taking this determinant, so you may show a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc whole square also. So finally we will conclude that x equals to y equal to z model, x equals to y equals to z form. Now so let us consider the given problem determinant, that is a b c, here b c a c a b. So this whole square is there. Okay, now so you know how to apply the definition of the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Now so same way apply along first row. So this is a times of positive negative positive, right? So plus a into the minor of a, by deleting this row and column, this is c a b. Next minus b into this, by deleting this and this, so we get the elements are b a c b, and plus element c times of b c c a. Okay, and this is square, this number square. Now so which is equals to a times of, now say it is a 2 by 2 determinant, so it is c into b, that is bc minus a square, minus b times of b square minus ca plus c times of ab minus c square and whole square. Now so this is, say multiply with a, so that it is abc minus a cube, a into a square, minus b into b square is b cube, minus b into minus ca, that is plus bca or abc. Now plus c into ab, cab, or we can write it as abc, minus c into c square, that is c cube whole square. Now so this is abc, abc and abc, so the sum of these three abc will be 3abc minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube whole square. Okay, now so let us take a minus is common, minus is common, so that it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc whole square. Now so this is, so minus 1 whole square means positive only, so we can write this as, say like it is a minus a whole square, minus a or minus x whole square is nothing but minus 1 square into x square, right? So minus 1 square is nothing but plus 1, x square is this one, so minus x whole square is nothing but plus x square, so let it be this, the quantity is x, so minus x whole square form, so we can write it as plus x square, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc whole square. Okay, so let it be, this is the relation 1, means the determinant of this whole square is equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc whole square, so let it be, this is a relation 1. And again consider the same determinant, that is a b c b c a c a b whole square. Now so it is in the form of det a whole square, so det a whole square, that can be written as det a into det a, right? So the det a is, here it is a b c b c a c a b into again same determinant, so it is a b c b c a and CAB. Now, so let it be. See, this is as it is. So let something change in the second determinant. Like here we can do only the interchanging of rows or columns. That's it. So here I'm interchanging these two columns or rows. I'm interchanging these two rows. So by applying R2 interchanging to R3. Now if we interchange any two adjacent rows or columns, then the determinants are differ with the signs. So that it is -1 into, this is into -1 into the determinant. No change in the first row, that is ABC as it is. Now this is CAB. This is interchanging BCA. Now, so it is ABC, BCA and CAB into now. So here and outside of this determinant -1 is there. So we can multiply this -1 with either any row or column of this determinant. Now here I am multiplying this -1 with the first row of the determinant, so that the elements are becomes like -A, -B, -C, CAB and BCA. Now, so observe these two things. So they are in the form of A and B, two different matrices. So det A into det B form. So already we have a property regarding the determinant of A into B. Det of A into B is equals to det A into det B, right? Now, so this is det A into det B. So obviously this is equals to determinant of AB. Determinant of AB. Now, so try to multiply these two matrices. Now say 3 by 3 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix, let it be. Now so the matrix multiplication is possible, and the resultant matrix of order 3 by 3. You know how to multiply two matrices. So this row into this column. Now the resultant is, now so it is A into -A, that is -A square, B into C plus BC plus CB. So to get this next element, now I need to multiply the corresponding elements of this row 2 with this column, same column. So B into -A, -AB plus C into C, C square plus AB. And to get this element, so this row with the same column, -AC plus AC plus B square. Next, so to get the second column elements of the resultant, so we have to do these rows with only second column, this row with this column. So we get this element, that is A into -B, -AB plus AB plus C square. This row with the same elements, B into -B, -B square, C into A, CA and CA. So it is -B square plus AC plus CA. Next, C into B, -BC plus A square plus BC. And next, so C into A into -C, that is -AC plus B square plus AC. Next, -BC plus BC plus A square. Next, -C square plus AB plus AB. So this is our resultant. Now, so here you can observe, so in this -AB and plus AB, -AC plus AC, -AB plus AB and -BC plus BC, here -AC plus AC, -BC plus BC, and that's it. Now, so write down the matrix, the determinant as it is, that is BC plus CB means 2BC minus A square. Now in this only C square is present, and here it is only B square. Now here it is a C square, AC plus EA, that is 2AC minus B square, A square, here this is B square, A square, and it is 2AB minus C square. Now so determinant of this is equals to, so this one, so let it be, this is the relation 2, so observe the relation 1 and relation 2. So they are in the form of x equals to y and x equal to z, right? X equals to y and x is equals to z, so we can express this as x equals to y equals to z form. So from 1 and 2, so you can write that as from 1 and 2 relations, so we can express this as determinant of A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B whole square is equals to 2BC minus A square, C square, B square, and this is C square, 2AC minus B square, A square, this is B square, A square, 2AB minus C square is, here it is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square. See Roman 3, fifth problem. So 3 and 4 are very easy, and see, show that the determinant of this is equals to 4 times of A plus B, B plus C, or C plus A. So here, so compulsory we need to use the row operation or column operation for this. See, here I am applying the row operation by changing R2 and R3 like this. So R2 is changing to R2 plus R1, and similarly R3 also R3 plus R1. So just apply these two operations for row 2 and row 3. Then the left hand side of the given problem, that changes to, so no change in the row 1, means we are applying only for row 2 and row 3. So row 1 is as it is, minus 2A, A plus B, and this is C plus A. Now row 2. So for row 2 elements, just you need to add the corresponding elements of row 1. That is A plus B minus 2A. Means it is B minus A minus 2B plus A plus B. So that is A minus B. Now so this is B plus C plus C plus A. So C is twice. So that it is A plus B plus 2C. Right? Next, R3 minus R1. So the corresponding elements of row 3 minus row 1. That is C plus A minus 2A. It is C minus A, C plus B plus A plus B. Here B is repeated, so B twice. So that it is A plus C plus 2B minus 2C plus C minus A. This is A minus C. If we apply the definition of the determinant, again it may be complicated. So try to apply some more operations, either column or row, your wish. But it should be in a systematic manner. Similarly, apply the column operations in a similar manner. So here we changed row 2 and row 3 like R2 plus R1 and R3 plus R1. In the same way, here I am changing C2 and C1, C3. So C2 is changing as C2 plus C1 and C3 as C3 plus C1. C2 ki C3 ki C1 add చేస్తున్నాను. This is column 1, column 2, column 3. So for column 2 and column 3, add column 1. Now while doing that operation, there is no change in the first column. The first column is as it is. First as it is, no traces any. Minus 2A, B minus A, this is C minus A. Now, so here a plus b minus 2a means it is b minus a. Now a minus b plus b minus a. Here a is positive, a negative, b negative, b positive. Therefore it is 0. Right? Now a plus c plus 2b. A is gets cancelled, plus 2b and plus 2c. So this is 2b plus 2c form. Next, column 3 plus column 1. C plus a minus 2a. That is c minus a. A plus b plus 2c plus b minus a. This is again it is a 2b plus 2c form. Next, a minus c plus c minus a, means they are in opposite form. It is 0. Right. Now, so next, so you can apply the definition. So somewhat it may be easy, since the determinant that contains two zeros. So we can expand so this determinant along the first row. You know the signs of the first row: positive, negative, positive. Right? Now, so here I'm expanding this along the first row. So this is minus 2a into, now by deleting this row and column, rest of the elements are 0, 2b plus 2c. This is a 2b plus 2c, 0. Plus, so here the sign of this is minus 1 into element is b minus a times of, by deleting this row and column, the elements are b minus a. So it is a 2 times of, or 2b plus 2c. And this is c minus a and 0. Next sign is plus into c minus a times of b minus a 0, c minus a 2b plus 2c. Now, so we can expand this. So this is minus 2a times of, so 0 into 0, so it is a 0 minus, this is 2b plus 2c into 2b plus 2c, that is 4 times of b plus c whole square. Now, so this is a plus, so multiply with a negative sign. Now b negative and a is positive, therefore it is a minus b into b minus a into 0, that is 0 minus c minus a into 2b plus 2c, that is, so it is a 2 into c minus a into b plus c. Plus c minus a times of, now the determinant is b minus a into 2b plus 2c, that is 2 times of b minus a into b plus c minus c minus a into 0, that is 0. Now, so which is, now so observe all the terms. So here let's write this as minus 2a into this, so it is 8a into b plus c whole square. Now, so this is plus a minus b into, so 2 is common, 2 into a minus b into, so negative sign is there, so you can write it as c minus a as a minus c into b plus c, plus 2 times of, so this is a c minus a, b minus a into b plus c. Right? Now, so in the entire problem or sum, so there are 3 terms are there. In each and every term, the 2 is common, and a b plus c term also common. So if we take 2 times of b plus c, then the remaining part is So this is a 4a into b plus c, right? 4a into b plus c. Here it is a minus b into a minus c. Here c minus a into b minus a, right? Next, equals to 2 times of b plus c. Now, so multiply the terms, like it is 4a into b, that is 4ab plus 4ac. Now plus here a into a square. Now a into minus c, that is minus ac. Next minus ba plus bc. Now plus c into b, cb. C into minus a, minus ca. Minus a into b, minus ab. Minus a into minus a, that is plus a square, right? Now here anything is gets cancelled. No. So you can write this as 2 times of b plus c times of, so it is 4ab 4ac. Here a square and a square, so it is 2a square minus ac and minus ca, so it is minus 2ac minus ba and minus ab, minus 2ab and plus bc and plus cb, so it is plus 2bc. Now finally this is a 2 times of b plus c. So here 4ab minus 2ab, so that it is 2ab. 4ac minus 2ac plus 2ac plus 2a square and plus 2bc. Now again the 2 is common. So it becomes 4 times of b plus c. Again it is ab plus ac plus a square plus bc, this one. Now which is 4 times of b plus c. Now so you can observe, see the first and third term. In this a is common. A is common, so that it is b plus a, right? Now say from these two, c is common, that is a plus b. Now so 4 times of b plus c times of, here a b plus a and a plus b, so both are same. A plus b is common, then a plus b common, then the leftover term is a plus c. So this is equals to 4 times of a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. So this is the right hand side of the given problem. Now show that determinant of this is equals to 0. Now so here you can observe the first column that contains all ones. So try to make 2 elements of that that column are 0. So here so you can make these 2 elements as 0 by applying row 2 minus row 1 and row 3 minus row 1 simply. So on applying the row operations like r2 minus r1 and one more operation for r3, that is r3 minus r1. So the problem that becomes the left hand side of the given problem, that becomes 1a square minus bc, no change in the first row. So there is a change in the second row, that is 1 minus 1 0, b minus a, b minus a, and this is b square minus ca minus a square minus this one, minus of minus means plus bc. Next row 3 minus row 1 0, and it is c minus a. Next c square minus ab minus a square plus BC. Right. Now, so this is 1a square minus BC. 0, it is B minus A, and so we can write this as B square minus A square. Now next plus, observe these two. Here C is common, then this part is the B minus A, and 0 C minus A. Here C square minus A square, and the remaining two terms are minus AB minus BC. From that you can take B is common, so that it is C minus A. Now see, observe so the second row that contains a B minus A. Here so we can take a B minus A is common, so 1 0 0. Here A, B minus A, C minus A. Here it is A square minus BC. Here B square minus A square can be written as B minus A into B plus A. So this can be written as B minus A times of, so the remaining part is B plus A plus C, that is A plus B plus C. And here C square minus A square is there, C minus A into C plus A, so that C minus A is common. Then this is C plus A plus B. So finally, so from second row B minus A is common, B minus A into, and from third row C minus A is common. This times of, now 1 0 0. Here it is A, B minus A common, then it is 1 1. So A square minus BC, and it is A plus B plus C, and it is C plus A plus B means again A plus B plus C. Now here so you can observe row 2 and row 3. Row 2 and row 3 are identical. Any two rows or columns in a determinant are identical. Therefore the determinant of that matrix is 0 or vanishes. So these are the Roman 3 problems. So just now we did 1 and 2. So do the third and fourth problem. So coming to the third problem, so the column 3 contains 3 ones. So apply row operations to get 2 elements as 0. So here the hint is apply R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1 and think about it. And fourth one, so observe the column wise. First column that contains A common, and second column contains B common, and third column that contains C. So finally A, B, C is common. Okay, then think about it. So if you take A, B, C common from first, second, third columns, so here the first row, the entire first row that contains 1. Next apply column operations and simplify it. So next fifth problem, just now we did. Then sixth one, so already done. So by applying a row operation or column operations, like you can apply C1 plus C2 plus C3, then so the entire column 1 becomes 0. Next seventh one done. And for eighth one, see here you can observe the elements of that determinant x a. If we add all columns, so you may get the first column as x plus 2a. X plus 2a is common. The next apply row operation, means R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. So you'll get it. Okay, so almost all the problems in 3D are done. So I hope understand all the problems in exercise 3D. So do all the problems in your notebook. Thank you.